In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. GAOMON M10K Pro. The GAOMON M10K Pro is a 10 by 6.25 inch digital graphic tablet designed for drawing and art creation, compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Android devices. It features a 1920 by 1280 screen resolution on a 10.1 inch display, boasting 8192 pressure levels and a 5080 LPI resolution ratio for precise input. The tablet includes a battery-free stylus with tilt function, a radial controller, and 10 customizable shortcut keys to enhance workflow, alongside a report rate of 266 pps. Constructed from plastic with a USB interface, the M10K Pro supports OTG function and electromagnetic resonance (EMR) pen technology, offering compatibility with various drawing software and comes with a comprehensive package of accessories. Number 2. Huion Kamvas 13. The Huion Kamvas 13 is a slim and lightweight 13.3-inch graphic tablet with a full HD display, offering 1920 by 1080 resolution and 120% sRGB color gamut for vibrant visuals. It features 8192 pressure levels and a 5080 LPI resolution ratio, along with the battery-free PW517 digital pen incorporating Pentec 3.0 technology for enhanced sensitivity and accuracy. The tablet can be used as both a pen display and a pen tablet and supports Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and certain Android devices. It connects via USB-C and has 8 programmable press keys for efficient workflow and comes with an anti-glare screen protector for a comfortable drawing experience. Number 3. Huion Inspiroy 2M Drawing Tablets. This listing describes a Huion brand graphic tablet available for purchase from the Huion official store on Aliexpress, shipping from mainland China to Bangladesh. The tablet is black, has a USB interface, a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, 8192 pressure levels, and dimensions of 246mm x 152mm. The current price is US $58.55, 39% off, plus US $16.15 for shipping with an estimated delivery date of May 11th. The listing emphasizes secure payments and protection of personal details and shows numerous alternative tablets from brands like GAOMON, XPPen, and others. Number 4. XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro is a portable 13.3-inch pen tablet monitor designed to empower creativity with its convenient 3-in-1 cable design. It features a customizable red dial interface with 8 shortcut keys for a smooth workflow and supports up to 60 degrees of tilt for natural shading. The full laminated FHD display boasts 88% NTSC color accuracy, a 178-degree viewing angle, and an anti-glare optical film for crisp, clear visuals. With 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a battery-free stylus, it offers increased accuracy for detailed sketches. The package includes a portable stand, pen holder, replacement nibs, and compatibility with various operating systems and digital art software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Number 5. Huion Kamvas 13 Gen 3. The Huion Kamvas 13 Gen 3 is a digital tablet with a 1920 by 1080 screen resolution, 16,384 pressure levels, and a 5080 LPI resolution ratio. It is available in black and rose colors from the Huion official store and is priced around $255.55 to $269, excluding tax. Shipping to Bangladesh is approximately $269.53 with a delivery time of 7 to 15 days. The tablet boasts a 13.3-inch display with features like anti-sparkle canvas glass and 99% sRGB color gamut, plus Pentec 4.0 technology. The listing also presents several related products including other Huion Kamvas models, graphics tablets from XPPen and GAOMON, and standalone drawing tablets.